With the time change, I've decided that I'm going to install a couple outdoor motion security lights. And two of the products that I like the most are from a company called IQ America. This is a 120 volt motion sensor. It's 1100 lumens, which is typically bright enough for any application that would be 8 to 10 feet tall. It also has a motion sensor down here with an exit sensor, and it has two adjustable features for lumen level and time sensitivity. One of the great things I like about this fixture is the adjustability of the heads themselves and the fact that you can install this on a wall. But more importantly, there's a lot of times when you want to be able to install it on a ceiling or soffit, and this is a great product for that because it allows you to install it either way, on the wall or on the ceiling. So this is IQ America 120 volt 1100 lumen motion security light. It's available on www.fliproducts.com. You can also get it on walmart.com and amazon.com. The second fixture I want to show you today is also from IQ America. It's a battery operated motion security light, which means you don't have the added expense of installing a 120 volt fixture. You can do this with 4D batteries. It's super simple, and it has a lot of the same features with adjustable heads. This particular model is a 2 light, as you can see, but they also have a single and a 3 light and a little mini version. It has a similar motion sensor. It also has a time sensitivity dial and what they call a dusk learn sensitivity button. The batteries are pretty simple. Little housing in the back, and insert the batteries, and that's it. I've pre-installed a bracket on this post because this is where I intend to hang it, and it just takes 2 screws to install it, and you can simply hang it and snap it into place and adjust your head. That's it. Super simple installation for a motion security light, very inexpensive, and you could be up and running in just a matter of a few minutes. 2 fixtures from IQ America, both available on www.fliproducts.com. You can also get them on Amazon and Walmart.